What are smart contracts? Smart contracts are programs stored on a blockchain that run when predetermined conditions are met. They typically are used to automate the execution of any agreement so that all the participants can be immediately certain of the outcome without any intermediary involvement or time loss. They can also automate the workflow, trigger the next action or conditions when the conditions are met. Smart contracts work by the following simple principle of if-then statement, and they are written into code on a blockchain. Solidity can be used to write smart contracts. Let's have a look at the benefits of smart contracts. Number 1. Speed, efficiency and accuracy. Once condition is met, contract is executed immediately. Number 2. Trust and transparency. As there is no third party involvement, there are less chances of altering the information. Number 3. Security. Blockchain transactions records are encrypted, which makes them very hard to hack, though we have seen some hacking related concerns in the past. Subscribe to Metaverse Know to know more about NFTs, Metaverse, Web3, cryptocurrency.